What we are holding in our hand is a copy of the charge sheet filed by the CBI in the custodial death case of Jayaraj and Benix, the father and son from Tuticorin district. Well, the initial FIR that was filed by Satankulam police when the father and son were arrested on 19th of June said that the police had to arrest them because they were completely unruly, fell on the ground and rolled and spoke against the policemen because when the policemen requested them to close their cell phone shop in the allotted time period during the pandemic situation. But apparently that turned out to be a huge outrage because when Jayaraj and Benix were arrested on 19th of June, on 21st, Benix died in the hospital and the very next day his father Jayaraj also died. Initially, people from Tuticorin were the ones who actually initiated a protest against the police. But after the word went out as to what exactly happened, entire state of Tamil Nadu was outraged with the way police has handled this case. And interestingly, it was Madras High Court Madurai bench that initiated the investigation, claiming that the state cannot wait until CBI takes over, and that had turned to a huge development in the state because Madras High Court Madurai bench that point initiated CBCID to immediately take over the case, and within 36 hours period 8 policemen involved in the case, including the inspector, were arrested, and all credible important evidence were collected from Satankulam police station. These evidences turned out to be crucial because the CBI charge sheet has now clearly mentioned what exactly has happened since the period Jayaraj and Benix were arrested, that is on 19th of June, starting with how the FIR itself was noted under false pretense. Not just that, the CFSL report, that is the Central Forensic Science Laboratory report, has very clearly mentioned that the blood that was found in Jayaraj and Benix's clothes was a match to the blood that smears that were found on the walls of Satankulam police station and the lathis that were used to hit them both back in their gluten. Now, CBI has also gone ahead and meticulously recorded statements from various officials, just various magistrates who were involved in the case as well, and those statements and very clearly mentioned what has occurred in that period. Apparently, as per this report, Jayaraj was arrested initially, and at the time of the arrest he was doing well and he did not resist, unlike how the FIR has mentioned. This was later proved by the CCTV footage from their shop. And then he was taken to the police station. Benix later followed his father. He was also doing well at that point. But when he initially we got a a report from an evidence where the person said that he was present at the police station at that point, and he found out what exactly has happened. As per the witness count, Benix saw his father being hit by policemen and he was completely outraged, and when he tried to intervene, he was also pushed inside the police station. The doors were locked, and for a whole night the father and son duo were beaten brutally, policemen holding their hands to the table, making them bend down and hitting them again and again. In fact, the witness counts from inside the police station have also revealed how they were completely disgusted with the way even the inspector was involved in it, that many had to leave the police station just for being unable to stand at that point. All this has been recorded, and with a forensics report and everything, the CBI has filed charge sheet against 10 policemen, which includes the police inspector, several sub-inspectors and police constables. Unfortunately, one person from that has also passed away before the hearing could complete. But for now, we have the detailed report, and the question that is arising now is that Home Department falls under the Chief Minister. So what does the Chief Minister have to say at this moment? Will there be a complete revamp of the way police handles such situations, and what is the state planning to do about police excess? With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.